Hello, it's Brian Macdonald with Inspections, Estimates, Supplements here talking about, did you know that there is no guarantee that if you do the repairs before you supplement for the work that you have done to the carriers, that there is no guarantee that you will get paid for it? Let me repeat that. No guarantee that you will get paid by the insurance carrier, whoever it may be. I don't care. It's not going to happen. There is no policy that states in any homeowner's policy that says a contractor, general contractor, a painter, a plumber, an electrician, a roofer is obligated by the policy that their supplement will get paid after you do the repairs. Sorry if the truth hurts. Roofing contractors, general contractors out there in the insurance claim process for residential and commercial projects. I'm here to tell you that the only way that you can guarantee that your money and your work, your hard work will get paid for is to get your gained insurance coverage approved before the repairs are done. Period. Without having to sign an AOB, an AOC, or hire a public adjuster that costs anywhere between 20% to 30% off the top of your RCV value. And that takes anywhere from 4 to 6 months sometimes on the size of projects. Who wants to wait 4 months for a public adjuster to get an approved gain from the carrier? I don't. I hate it. If I don't have to use a public adjuster, I won't, because I know how to get gained insurance coverage before the repairs. Now, some of my contractors that I work with and general contractors that hire me say, hey, Brian, well, what about if I get into the job and I find sheeting that's water damaged and space decking? Well, that's not a problem, because 9 times out of 10, when I do my detailed inspection, I'm going to inspect inside the attic space, and I'll be able to tell if it has space decking. If it's got space decking and the gaps between the boards are a 1/4 inch or bigger, then we'll get that addressed before the repairs with the carrier. We'll get them to approve laying over an additional sheeting, 1/2 inch sheeting, a minimum of 3/8 sheeting, but we'll get them at least to get 1/2 inch sheeting, plywood or OSB over the space decking. So when you start the project, you'll have the material, the sheeting there. And if there's any water damage to existing sheeting, we'll address that too. We'll document it and get that approved before the repairs. Now, there might be situations to where I can't see through a false wall on the other side of the false wall, or if the water damage is above the sheeting and it's in between it's on the outside, faced up on the underlayment side of the sheeting. So when you tear off the shingles and you discover that there's sheeting that is water damaged, we'll address it then. Depending on the carrier and the claim, we'll come up with a strategy how to deal with that. So it could vary from either we'll stop the production right then and there and tarp it if the carrier doesn't want to give you an approval right then and there. When I come by And during the progress of your installation or your repairs, I'll document all of that stuff immediately, and we'll go and I'll send off that supplement estimate, which will be in turn an invoice, because you've incurred the work already. You're doing it right now. You're replacing the water damage sheeting. Other times the adjuster, depending on the claim, will want to come by and see it. If he's in the area, we can meet him on the job site, show him. He can approve it right on the spot. Large loss adjusters will be able to do that. But more than likely, when we send in an invoice, they will approve it. It just all depends on the carrier, the claim, and the strategy that me and my contractor or general contractor is using for their particular projects. And that could be anything else that we find during the process of the repairs. So, back to what I was saying. There is no guarantee. If you do the repairs before you supplement, and then you supplement after the repairs are completed, you have just exposed yourself to potentially losing tens of thousands of dollars, because you are at the mercy of the field adjuster approving your supplements. End of story. There's no question about it. If you're just a regular contractor, general contractor, and you're planning on that your supplements getting approved, well, I have some bad news for you, because there is no guarantee that all of your supplements will be approved. And if you've invested money to get that work done and you don't get paid for it, well, that's on you, because the carrier, it's not their responsibility to pay for everything that you're supplementing on the back end, because you've already done the work, and you've lost all your leverage. That's why there's so much power to you, the contractor, and your homeowner, to get the gained insurance coverage before the repairs are even started. Put the pressure on the carrier to get it approved. Don't step foot on the job until you get an approval. It only takes anywhere between 1 to 3 weeks to get this process completed. Once you receive the initial paperwork, that's where I come in. My contractors hire me to start the process. I come out to their job. I do a detailed inspection, document it, photography it, take anywhere between 100 to 200 to 300, 400 photos, drone video on top of that, code documentation, any other documentation, any ITEL reports if necessary. If it's a discontinued product, we'll verify it with ITEL. And then I'll go back to my office, write up an Xactimate estimate like it's supposed to be, and then we'll send it off to the inside adjuster or inside team, and we'll wait. It's a chess game, guys and girls, roofing contractors, general contractors. It's a chess game. So we want them to show their hand first so that we know how to react and our next move will be. So give me a call, 678-910-1264. Down below in the message, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and comment. I love to answer all my comments to all of my followers and subscribers. And please share this video to as many people as you can, because I am wanting to help as many general contractors and contractors, commercial and residential, out there in the U.S. as I humanly can, because I know I can make you thousands and tens of thousands of dollars in profit, in net profit in 2019. Thank you.